welcome to my channel. My name is Tipiso Pahlani, and today we are continuing with the third part of our eyeshadow series. So today I was doing this gorgeous eyeshadow look, and if you are interested to see how I achieved this beautiful eyeshadow, then keep on watching. I'm not going to be talking through the whole video. I'm only just going to be showing you how I achieved the eyeshadow, and that's it. I'm not going to be like explaining anything. You can only just follow by watching. How has you guys been? I'm sure you guys have been wondering, where is this go? Like, where did this girl go? I've been here, you guys. I've been okay. The only thing I'm struggling with now is consistency, but I promise I'm done. I'm back for good, I hope.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams.
Now I'm done with the base. So let's do them eyes, and then we'll finish up everything. So I use this as my eyeshadow base.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
I think I should set my face before
I know what I'm supposed to do.
I start with the eyeshadow. Yes.
What I'm supposed to do.
So the color that I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna use my Essence Daily Dose of Love eyeshadow palette, and this is the color I'm gonna start with on my outer corners. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder just so my eyeshadow doesn't crease.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do.
Just set with a little bit of powder
Don't you tell me what I
like that.
supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm
So I'm only gonna concentrate. Today we're doing 3 colors. So I'm only going to concentrate this shade on the outer part of my eye, just like how I'm doing here. Outer part, and I'm not rubbing it, I'm just like picking it in, just like how I'm doing here, guys. But the eye look that I'm doing today is very simple. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. If you're a beginner like me and you wanna learn makeup, let's gather in here together and learn this makeup together. Let's get to know each other. let's get to know each other a little bit better. Ciao. So when I'm done with picking that beautiful pink color, when I'm done picking it like that, I will then take a brush like this. You can use any brush depending on what you have. I'm just using what I have, and I'm gonna take this. I don't know if I should use this color or use. So we're gonna stick it out with my Dose of Love, and I'm gonna be going in with this shade now. It's too dark, so I'm not gonna take a lot of it on the brush, just so I have more control and precision. So what I will do with this color, then I will pack it right next to the first color that we did, just like that, and smudge it together just so they have a meeting point that is not too harsh, like that in the middle. Don't put it everywhere, just place it in the middle, just like that. Just like that. Just make sure that it doesn't look as harsh like how mine looks. Try and marry them together right here where they meet, just so there's no harsh lines and unnecessary mistakes.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do? You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do? When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my prime makeup,
just like so. And now we're gonna go in with our third color, and that is, I'm looking for a very beautiful blue here. I don't know which particular blue, but for the inside, and then we'll fix everything else. And then I think this one will do. I don't know. That's what I have, so that's what I will use. So the blue that I'm gonna be going in with, it's this one. Let me just take this blue and see what I can do with it. So with this blue, I'm gonna be getting my inner corner like that. The only thing is my eyes are very small, so it might not pop the way that I want it to pop, but we're gonna make it work. Pack it. Because if you rub an eyeshadow on first hand, it doesn't really appear the way that you want. So try and start by packing it first. We're going to the
don't you tell me what I supposed to do? Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to
Take
do
out
when I'm
blue.
walking on the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When
Yeah.
I'm making my bright makeup,
It's coming quite good.
it's part of me.
I ended up mixed. That's why this side is popping more. I mixed these
I know
two
what I'm
of
supposed
them
to do.
just so you
Crashing on my
can
dreams
have
and you're
more
making me so
pigment. And it's working.
I know what I'm supposed to
Like
do.
that. Like that, child. And
I know what I'm supposed
the
to
juice
do.
is at the end, so I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, let me intensify a little bit of the other colors that I already used. You see, this one is like fading off because I went in with a darker color right next to it. So if you see as if it's like fading into your skin, you can put more. Do what you want with makeup. Other people are intimidated by makeup,
I know what I'm supposed
and
to
how
do.
I look at makeup is just how you
Crashing on
can
my dreams and you're making me so
express yourself and not be, there's no rule to makeup.
I know what
Nobody's gonna tell you, no, you did that eyeshadow wrong. Who are you? And then I'll also intensify my black a little bit more, just a little bit more. You see, now our color story is
I know what I'm supposed to do.
perfect. Now let me contour my face, highlight, and blush, eyeliner, everything, and then finish our eyeshadow. I want to add some glitter,
Don't you tell me
Yeah,
what
let's
I
go.
supposed to do.
Should I use this glitter? I got it in a mystery box, Essence mystery box from Take a Lot. But I'm contemplating between using this glitter and using the one that is in here, because child, trust me when I tell you, even the one that is in here is a bomb.com. So I'm gonna leave this loose glitter for when I'm doing extraordinary makeup or dramatic looks. I think my eyeshadow was a little bit lower down, so now I'm trying to just take it to my bone a little bit, to edge a little bit to see. I think I took it a little bit too down, like that. So I'm just gonna use the brush that I was using for concealer, and I'm gonna place, this is the eye that I saw from a makeup artist. It does not entirely make what I'm supposed to do. But an idea of a makeup artist that I saw. Did you see that? This is how I will just place it. And I'm not gonna take it all the way out. I'm gonna leave it right here.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do?
This way
When I'm
I'm
walking on the streets half naked.
If you want to recreate this look,
When I'm
don't
making my
put
bright
any
makeup. It's part of me.
glitter.
It's part of me. When you're crashing on my dreams and you're making me so cool. Get out of my life. I know what
Just
I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're
a
crashing
little
on my dreams and you're
bit,
making me
not
so
a lot, like how I did here.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
There's a lot of glitter, child. That's a lot of glitter. This is a makeup look you can rock to a party. You can rock this makeup to child anywhere. Baby shower, it's fun, it's summer, it's gorgeous. Look at that, mama.